You are going to love this brand new AI tool. It is totally free and it's going to help you to brainstorm new image ideas, to come up with a full visual palette for your website, for your house design, for your branding in general, like all kinds of possibilities for your social media graphics. And if you're someone that just has a hard time explaining the visuals that you would love, but you know it when you see it, this is going to be for you. Now, I am recording this right at the end of the year and I don't want to stand on this fancy camera. So I'm going to take you kind of behind the scenes. And what we're going to be creating is a full mood board based on my favorite aesthetic, which is Havana disco. And I know you may not know that that's an aesthetic, but it is. So come check out this tool. I'm also putting together a full written guide. So drop the word mix below and I'll send you the written guide. It's already done. I just got to get it published. So drop the word mix below and I'll send it right over. Okay. Hey. And if we've never met, I'm Molly. Good to meet you. Bye. Not bye. Here we go. This is so cool. I'm literally just hopping on in my slightly dark office to record this video for you as we come to the end of the year with some sparkles on, because there's a new tool created by Google. It is part of Google Labs, which is their free experimental AI magic. And it is called MixBoard. And I am really obsessed with it. So it's basically like, think Pinterest meets mood board meets create any graphic that you want based on all kinds of magic images. And what I love about it is that it's the way that you can ideate. It's like, is that a word? I don't know, but it is so cool. I'm going to show you how it works right now. So I'm going to click new project. Oh, I'm not even on the screen. Okay, new project. And then I can start by saying disco ball Havana neon party. All right, I am having a party and I'm going to plan for it. So that is all I asked for. And watch what's going to happen. It is going to generate images in this style, a bunch of them, and then I can play with these images from here. So we got some Havana. Ooh, love it. Cute. This could be, I may change this one. Here for that. This looks creepy and I don't want to use that one. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, these could be all right. This is perfect. This, I don't know. So I'm actually just going to start by, nope. I'm going to just delete things I don't want. I don't even know what is happening there. This has potential. This I do not like. This one, I'm going to change. I'm going to say change the orange color to purple. And let me just start with that. All right. So I'm going to just tell it that that's what I want it to do. Now, notice all I had to do for that is just click on it, give it a written text prompt, and it's going to start to make adjustments. Then that image shows up right here. But you can also be doing other things while it's going. So like, oh, way better. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to remove this one or change it. I'm going to say, make this a pineapple tiki. How do you spell tiki? Tiki. I don't think that's right, but that's okay. Mug. I really should know how to spell tiki because, oh, duh. Tiki mug. Okay. Then what I can do is I can start to combine these together. I also can take these and create quote cards. Like this is the thing that I think most people miss. They're just creating these mood boards, but you can actually create templates. Oh, super cute. And I appreciate that instead. So you can actually create graphic templates based on all of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you the one that I already created in this style and some other things that I've created just to make it go a little bit faster. So this one I am really obsessed with. Let's see if it loads here. And so cute. So I've got, can I drag? Oh, that's how. All right. So look, I started to create these quote card templates, which then I can take and I can add text on top of these, or they can be reels. There's all kinds of things that I can do with these quote card templates, which I love. I'm going to show you how I created them in a moment. Cute, fun, the palm trees and the neon. I'm here for it. This, I also love this wall. Okay, but let's look over here. Oh my gosh. So this one, let's zoom in a little bit because over here. So this was the original image. I asked for it to be a little darker and edgier. It gave me this. Then I said, add more palm trees. It gave me this. What is happening? I'm here for it. This is the vibe that I'm looking for. This, I just kept adding more palm trees. So I was like, add more palm trees. And it did, but it looks great. And then I was like, okay, add even more palm trees. And it did. Then I said, okay, add in a disco ball. And look at this. This one is super fun. All right. Now, it goes way beyond just making these little edits. So let's say I find this image, which I love. Okay. This is great. So I can come to this image. I can do all these different things. I can remix it, like regenerate this image. I can create more like this. So if I click more like this, it's going to give me, it's been like 3 to 4 images like this one. Okay, it's going to do 2 here, but they're going to be inspired by that image. This image I thought was a little weird, but it ended up giving me more like fashion stuff, like jewelry and things like that when I played with this one. Let's see what these are. Okay, super cute. Oh, I don't even know what that was. Not sure about that one. Let's say I delete that. Okay, now let's say I want to create an image that is inspired by multiple images. So let's say I really love these quote card templates down here, and I want to create more images that are similar to just like some of these images. So let's say I don't want it to be quite as 80s or neon. And so I can select all of these by just dragging. And when I select all of these, now they all are showing up down here, including the quote card templates. And I can say, and I can put the size 4x5. Palms and disco balls, but it's all going to be in the style of this. Well, for one of our clients, I took it even further, and then I did a big screenshot of the whole thing. I had it explain to me what the image looked like, and then I built their entire written mood board, like written branding document based off of what I created with this mood board. Let's look at these that it just made for me. It was making more than this before. Let's see. Look at the disco balls. I don't know about that, but it's okay. All right, I can keep playing. Now, this gets even crazier. If you come up over here and you click this transform button, it will actually make a whole slideshow presentation based on the images that you have here, which I just think is so fun. You can also duplicate the images, and I just think this is a really, really fun one to play with. Here's another example of a quote card that I did where it has like the neon in here. And then you can take these and create actual quote cards with them. You can download them right away in here. So many things that you can play with. I'm excited to see what you come up with by using MixBoard. Have an awesome day. Okay. And if you want more like this, do all the things like subscribe, whatever. Say MixBoard below if you want a written version of how to use this magic. Okay. Bye.